Hey guys, I wanted to start off by telling you about my hair care routine. I've been using the shampoo conditioner by Function of Beauty since the beginning of September and I've really loved it and I've noticed improvements in my hair since using them. These are what the bottles look like. I chose purple for my first bottle. This is the one I've been using since September, so it's lasted me a really long time. And for the new bottle, I went with pink. You get to choose the color and the scent that you want. They put your name on the bottle, which is really cute. Both scents are eucalyptus. It is customizable shampoo conditioner. It's really cool because you take a short 2-minute quiz outlining your hair type and then the goal of what you want your hair to be. So for me, I bleach my hair, so I wanted mine basically all nourishing, replenish, deep condition, all of that to make my hair healthier. They're all clean ingredients, vegan and cruelty free, and I love how my hair feels after using them. If you click the link below, you'll get 20% off your order. So to move on to the hairstyle, with style number 1, I'm going to start by just taking my bangs, splitting it into 2, and I'm just going to twist it back. Only going to be adding hair to the bottom, twisting it back. I'm going to only add in for a couple times and then just continue twisting and then pull apart just the top to give a little more volume. Then I'll stick the bobby pin in going towards my face, and that's really going to hold the hair in place. I'll take my next section just under that one, split it in 2, twist it back, add hair to the bottom section for a couple of twists, and then continue twisting. Pull apart the top. This helps make the twist show up better, and then I'll pin that behind a little bit further. When you're pinning it to your head, try not to add all of the hair into the bobby pin because then it will slip out. You really just need a tiny bit of hair and that holds it all together. I'll do my last section and pin it right below the last. This is the finished look. You could also do the other side if you wanted to. Style number 2 is this really simple Dutch braid. I love doing this when my hair is a little bit dirty and I'm just trying to get my bangs out of my face because they're not working with me. I just take a little section, I add in hair to both sides for a few inches, braiding the hair underneath so that the braid pops. And then I continue braiding all the way down, bobby pin it the same way. I like to stick the bobby pin in and going towards my face. I just move that hair on top over, and that is style number 2. Style number 3, I'm going to do the heaviest part, so about to the end of my eyebrow, and then I'll take a big section up top. I'll start doing a Dutch braid, braiding the outside pieces under the middle, and then I'll add in as I go down. The key is to braid the hair down towards your face instead of away from your face. Since my hair is shorter, I am having some pieces fall out, but that's okay, and that can be fixed with bobby pins or hairspray. And then I will just kind of tuck that hair underneath and just pin it back the same, and then fluff it up just a little bit more. And I like to smooth down any flyaways with clear eyebrow gel. Here is the finished look. Style number 4 is seriously so simple, but it's a good one. So I part my hair down the middle to make sure that both sides are even first. Then I take my bangs, twist it just a little, and pin it with a bobby pin going towards my face. And simple as that. This last style I have been doing all week long, actually. I really love it. So I just take the bobby pin, I take the bumpy side up because I think that side looks a little bit cuter, and I just do a little X, and then I do another X underneath that. And then do the same on the other side. Or you can just leave it like that, or I've done just one X on one side. I don't know, it's just kind of fun, and I think it's cute and a little bit different. Smooth down those little baby hairs, and that is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.